Hey guys, here I'm going to explain that why we need to use tiny int column and integer columm for which one we have to use it for a small type of value storage. Okay, in a MySQL table. Okay, so for example, I have created two tables with a same columns except the second column. Okay, just you can consider like some status or some type we are storing in this particular column. Okay, if you consider like tiny int and tiny int or there is a integer. Okay, so both tables have like there is no other changes in both of the tables, only the storage for the column I have changed it. Okay, and in this table I have stored around 60,000 records. Okay, you can see that. Okay, count of table in table. Okay, and 60,000 records, and you can see that in integer based table. So here I'm storing like a count of okay, so I'll explain the difference. So here, okay, so here also the 60,000 record, and this table has a value. Okay, we can say like a distinct of, okay, distinct of in that particular column. Okay, what is that distinct value? Okay, look into that uh, function distinct. Okay, distinct. I'm going to keep it to here. I can keep it like copy. I can get it. You can see now there is a maximum value, that distinct value only one. So 60,000 records at the same time. Okay, that's a value is called one. And here we can go to this tiny table, and here also we can get like the same, what type of values we are stored. That's also it is a one. Okay, so both tables are having like the same data number of rows and everything are same, 60,000 records. But the thing is that you can see the size of both table. You can see that. Look at this 2.5 that, and this only like 1.5. Both are tables having like a same number of data and same number of so the type of values of values, and then count. Okay, so look at the difference is like 60 records like in this much of values. So here that the reason here is a tiny that particular column and that particular cell, the allocation for the memory allocation storage would be like one byte for that particular value. And, that particular column, that each cells can store. If it is a integer, okay, you can see signed integer. You can say like minus 128 to 0 and 127. Okay, till 127 you can store that value. So why we need to keep like that particular column as integer bigger value? Instead, in that case, that if you are going to store like a 1 or 2 or something 0 or something like that. Okay, and maximum, like there is no some minus value, and also you can keep it like a unsigned type. Okay, that's also easy. So you can set it in that particular call. Okay, then small int also, that the integer you can then one particular allocation for that particular thing is like a 4 and then this is storing like in this kind of values can store in that particular data type sense. Okay, so in this particular, if you are going to give it to the tiny time boolean type of thing, there is no usage. It's a way storage. Okay, so that's the things. And then searching also we're going to differ when you are going to do it like in largest large number of rows or maximum. That's why. So please keep it like data type based on your need. Okay, whether if it is an integer, whether it is a small int, and then so you have to make sure that what is the maximum size we are going to store in that disk. Okay, okay. If there is any clarification, please comment it. Thank you so much. Uh, Thank you so much.